In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save Photopea as a PNG, step by step, so you can export your image with all visible layers included and keep it looking crisp and clean. This is a super useful workflow if you're finishing a design, preparing graphics for social media, or just need a high-quality image file that's easy to share and use anywhere. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Photopea tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. Once your project is open in Photopea and you're happy with the way your design looks, the first thing you want to do is head up to the top menu bar. Click File, then hover over Export As and select PNG. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also use Command, Option, Shift and S on Mac, or Control, Alt, Shift and S on Windows. That shortcut takes you directly to the export options, which is a nice time saver when you're working on multiple files. After you choose PNG, a preview window will appear. This is where you can make sure your export settings are correct before saving. If you want to resize the image, you can adjust the width or height right here. This is helpful if you need the file to be smaller for the web or if you want to scale it down before downloading. Just make sure you keep the proportions looking right so your image doesn't get stretched or distorted. For the best quality, leave the quality setting at 100%. That gives you maximum crispness and helps preserve the details in your design. PNG is especially great because it keeps everything sharp and is ideal for images with clean edges, text, logos, and transparent backgrounds. Once you've checked your settings and everything looks good, click Save. Photopea will automatically download the file to your computer's downloads folder, so you can find it there right away. From there, you can upload it, move it into another folder, or use it in your project however you need. And that's it. You've now saved your Photopea file as a PNG the right way. It's quick, simple, and perfect when you want a polished export without losing quality. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial.